Got a minute? Because it could mean years of benefit on your construction sites. Seeing is believing, so we put TerraLam cross-laminated side access mats to the test, setting up a small work pad. We're going to set up separate 3x3 grids with TerraLam and composite mats. Composite mats are great innovations to matting, but require extra people to align and pin the mats together for proper installation. Watch this carefully choreographed dance with personnel in the line of fire. Since you have people and machines working in close proximity, safety concerns are real. What about TerraLam? Just one operator to install the pad. And when you have to connect them, it can be done away from machinery. Less labor to install the mats, and less safety hazards your team is exposed to during install. And the benefits just don't stop. Almost a third more usable square footage per mat, so less mats are needed to cover the same space. In this 9-mat setup, TerraLam covered 1,088 square feet, while composites only covered 703 square feet. Then, when the job is done, you're also taking up the pad faster with less people and no pesky $100 pins to keep track of. The efficiency of working smarter, not harder, with TerraLam. A simple, sustainable solution that's covering more and more job sites around the country.